Let's explore how cross-domain setup is configured in Fabric, bringing monitoring and business data together to enable real-time insight and action. First, Ash brings monitoring data into Fabric OneLake. Then, Vic combines business and Azure Monitor data in a single Eventhouse, builds a real-time dashboard, and configures the operations agent to run on this combined data in real time. Finally, she creates a Power BI report for her leadership. Let's see it in action. Ash, data analyst, easily brings kiosk app telemetry into Microsoft Fabric, where the rest of the enterprise business data already lives. Ash creates a new mirrored Azure Monitor item, connects to the Log Analytics workspace, and selects the tables to make available in Fabric. Just like that, monitoring telemetry becomes available in OneLake with minimal latency and no data duplication. Ash shares the item with Vic, suggesting she connect it with business data to enable cross-domain analysis. Following Ash's suggestion, Vic opens the Eventhouse, where she already works with ERP and CRM data, including counter check-ins, costs, and customer information, happy to connect it with application telemetry. Vic creates a shortcut to the mirrored Azure Monitor item, selects which tables to shortcut, and keeps query acceleration turned on. Monitoring and business data can now be queried together in the same place. Using real-time dashboard, Vic generates the cross-domain visuals, including check-in costs and impacted customers, enriched with ERP and CRM data. These views reveal the real-time business impact of incidents. Vic then configures the operations agent, adding the Eventhouse she built with cross-domain data and defining two rules using Copilot Chat. One to detect when at least one loyalty customer is impacted, enabling airport staff to proactively assist them, and another to detect high business impact, in order to escalate to IT for faster resolution. She then sets up automated actions with Power Automate, such as sending emails to impacted customers and triggering ERP processes for opening dedicated counters. She refines the rules, assigns action, and dashboard. Once the setup is ready, Vic starts the agent to monitor signals and trigger actions in real time. So far we've seen how Vic addresses issues in real time. But she also needs to show trends to leadership, so she creates a Power BI report showing trends in customer impact and cost, helping management make informed decisions on resource allocation and understand the true cost of application failures. We've seen how business and IT can now reason across cross-domain signals, turning them into insights and actions in real time.